Welcome back to the channel. My name's Kyle, and this is my middle son, Briar. Say hi, Briar.
Hello.
And we just made it to the cabin, and it is cold. I'm talking like cold, and it's fixing to get a whole lot colder. We're on the brink of potentially the biggest snowstorm in the history of the state of Oklahoma.
Major winter storm that started over the Rockies is now beginning its push through a 2,000-mile stretch of America.
From Costco to Publix and Harris Teeter, the grocery stores are packed tonight across the triangle.
All right, so I'm gonna get the ash pan and we're gonna get this stove cleaned out before this cold weather hits, because it's not very often we get to empty the ash pan, and once it gets full of ashes, it's hard for the logs to fit. So we're gonna get this sucker emptied out real quick. Got that fire going. It's going good now. It's already starting to warm up in here pretty good. Definitely probably gonna burn a lot of firewood this weekend. I have no doubt. We're supposed to get down to like -6, wind chills in the -20s. So it's gonna be a chilly weekend. We're definitely gonna put our insulation to the test. That's for sure. We're looking forward to it. So, anyways, we're gonna let this burn and see how quick it takes us to warm up here. Let me show you the temperature real quick. So it's 37 inside, 31 out. Like I said, the wind chill outside's about 21 right now. So we'll see how it goes. That's good. All right, so it's been about an hour since I last checked in. I'm gonna see what the cabin's warmed up to. It's a whole lot warmer in here than it was. We got the fire going real good. Let's see what it looks like. So we're 28 degrees outside and we're up to 60 degrees inside. Briar's nice and warm now. Are you warm?
Yeah, it's a lot warmer than it was earlier.
So it is cold. I think we're sitting at about 12 degrees right now. Looks like we got about, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches of snow last night, which is a whole lot more than they were calling for. They said we were going to be in a sleet area with the second round, like the big snowstorms coming this afternoon. Supposed to start here in just a little bit. Check out our visitor we got here. He come to say hi. He said it's cold. You cold, boy? You cold? Huh? Yeah, he said, I don't know about y'all. But anyways, we're gonna let him find some warm place to get, and we're gonna go check out and see what we can see. But cabin's nice and warm. Did a good job, you know, staying warm most of the night. Really wasn't any different than any other night. So for everybody that said that insulation wasn't good, I mean, it's cold and we were warm. So Briar and I have been out on a little walk around the place just to see what we can see, and looks like round two is just now getting started here at the cabin. Like I said, it's supposed to be a two-part storm. First part looks like we got about an average of 5 inches. Supposed to get anywhere from 6 to 10 inches on this next part. Real small flakes right now. Almost sleet, really.
It's coming down.
It is coming down. It's getting colder too. Anyways, we're going to go get some warm clothes and get the fire stoked back up and handle this storm from indoors. Alright, so we just got our stew on. So we'll have dinner here in about an hour and a half, 2 hours or so. We're gonna let that simmer down. Pretty good day today. We got to hang out in the snow. It's still super cold. It's just now starting to sleet with the second round coming in during the biggest winter storm in the history of Oklahoma. Don't think we're gonna quite break that record, but we'll see. But yeah, we're just hanging out. We're gonna eat some good food tonight and stay warm by the fire. right, so we have made it to the last day of the snowstorm. It's supposed to wrap up here in the next, I don't know, about 3 to 4 hours is what the weather report's showing. This is the heaviest snow we've actually gotten during the entire storm. Definitely wasn't the record-breaking event that everybody said it was going to be, and you know, that's all right, because you know, I would rather it not get that bad. That way it's not as hard on people, you know. I know there's a lot of disappointed people out there, and I mean, part of me is disappointed. Who wouldn't want, you know, 15 inches of snow when you don't get snow? But regardless, we ended up with probably about 7 inches altogether, which is a pretty normal snowstorm for this part of the world here in Oklahoma. We usually get 1 or 2 of these a year. In fact, we've actually got one coming next Friday. So a week from now, we should have another snowstorm about like this come in. So maybe we'll have some more video of that. But the cabin, you know, we put the cabin to the test. This is its first, you know, long-term cold snap, and it did great. You know, it definitely have to have the stove going. I mean, when it starts to burn down, it begins to cool off. You can feel the temperature drop. But I mean, we had the windows open last night, so boy, it's really coming down. I don't know if you guys can see this in camera or not, but it is absolutely coming down.